Okay, here's the scenario. You've done all your due diligence to make sure the band is fully sound-checked. You've dialed in all of your settings and you're ready to roll. And right before the set, the guitar player tells you that he's going to switch from his Strat to a hollow body on the first song. What are you going to do? Well, with the AB button, the problem's solved. Hey, it's Richard Gaspard with PreSonus, and I want to show you an easy way to create an alternate DSP scenario for any StudioLive Series 3 mixer channel. Let's take a look at how it's done on a console work surface. Here you can see the Fat Channels section of a Series 3 console mixer. I've got a compressor and EQ set up for that Strat sound. Now if I engage the AB button, I now have those settings copied to a second snapshot, shown by the button being lit. I can make changes to any DSP parameter to shape that channel in any way I want. And when I hit the AB button again, it's back to the way it was when I started. I can do this on every single channel on the mixer, effectively making it have twice the DSP processing power. I can even do this on my main bus channels as well as my effects returns. The AB button is such a great tool because not only can you make AB comparisons of EQ, compressor, and gate settings for the selected channel, you can use it to create different settings for that source without the risk of using your original settings. It's just another reason why Series 3 is simply the most powerful yet user-friendly digital mixing platform at its price point. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or check us out on YouTube. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.